So these videos come from the PowerPoint presentation entitled SMS Implementation, but before we talk specific SMS implementation, I believe it's very important for us to take a short moment to discuss change management. There's a lot of study and many theories around change management, way more than we have time to get into here. However, the main thing that I want to ensure we understand is that the SMS implementation is change in an organization, and effective implementation of SMS requires smart change management initiatives. In SMS implementation, we have what is called the SMS champion. The SMS champion is the person who will lead the SMS implementation effort. It is crucial that this person have enough authority to effect change in the organization and really enough contact with their peers to be influential. One of the most difficult mindsets to change is that of punishment to control error. We talked about that earlier in the course. Even after management is on board with non-punitive approach to managing people, it will take time. It'll take time of consistently applying that principle to build trust throughout the organization. So there are theory X and theory Y ways of doing business. In reality, humans probably operate more in a continuum between the two, but we individually have preference toward one or another. In management, theory X and theory Y articulate different management styles based on what the manager believes motivates employees. Research has shown that theory Y style management is more productive. The SMS champion should anticipate resistance throughout the organization. Human nature is to resist change, even if change is good. To successfully press through, consistent and empathetic communication is important. Our class devotions in 2 Timothy apply to this. Chapter 2, verses 24 and 25 state that we should be patient with difficult people, gently instructing those who oppose truth. John Cotter identified 8 stages in change management that are widely held as very successful. First, establish a sense of urgency. Change is tough, so employees need a reason why change is necessary. A guiding coalition simply means that if the SMS champion can get some people from throughout the organization on board, if they can get people on board with the change, those people can help facilitate the implementation. We talked previously about gap analysis as one tool that's available to help with SMS. With that, vision and strategy can help with the direction the organization needs to move. Communicate, communicate, communicate. It is so important to over-communicate the initiatives. Empowering employees can remove barriers to change and line them up with the new paradigms throughout safety management systems. Celebrate small victories throughout the process. This helps to build momentum and to communicate the benefits of moving toward SMS. Celebrate small victories. As the organization starts to see the small wins and recognize benefits to the change initiative, momentum will build. Embrace the momentum and continue to reinforce it. Finally, as you reinforce the new behaviors, they start to become more habitual and permanent throughout the organization. Recognize that there is both vertical and horizontal change management that both have different dynamics. Vertical change management seeks to help tear down silos throughout the organization and help facilitate cooperation among different lines throughout the businesses. It also is necessary to gain the resources necessary to help with SMS implementation. Horizontal change management is more informal. It works a lot like peer pressure, in fact, kind of getting employees on the frontline teams who have the technical expertise of the work to influence each other throughout the organization. If you employ these principles when navigating SMS implementation and change management, it's intentional work. It takes a lot of effort, but in the end, it is well worth the effort.